Hi everyone, Duane here. Today we're looking at Excel's quick analysis. The first thing I'm looking at in quick analysis is the formatting. I'm going to highlight these numbers and I get a little box in the bottom right corner there. Is this a quick analysis? If I click that, I get the quick analysis gallery. I have the options of formatting, charts, totals, tables, and sparklines. I'm in formatting, which is essentially conditional formatting. If I slide onto data bars, it gives me a format here, a color that indicates the highest numbers. The more the color, the higher the number. If I slide on to color scale, same. Red to green, icon sets with arrows pointing in the direction the numbers are going, and the greater than option, which I'm going to choose. Here I can put in a number. I want a format greater than 1200, so I'm putting in 1200 here. It shows me light red fill with dark red text. If I hit the drop arrow there, I can choose green. I'm going OK on that. But while the box is there, I'm going to get another format as well. I'll click on that. And this time, I'm going to slide on to 10%. If I click on that, I can see now I can get two different formats, depending on the numbers that I want. The next thing I'm going to look at now in quick analysis is charts. If I slide across these examples here, I can see they pop up for me. The last button there is more charts. I can choose that. There's a great selection there. All charts tab. There's even a greater selection. I'm going to recommend it, choosing the first one and going OK. I'm going to size this chart down a bit so that I can see it next to my data. And I note that I have two more ribbon tabs up the top there. If I go for chart design, you can see all the different designs that I can go for. If I go for format, there's all these different formats that I can perform. It's so quick and so easy to get charts. The next topic is totals. If I select the data, I can go into the button, get the gallery and choose totals there. If I slide on to sum, it will add up those columns for me. I can have average, count, percentage or running total. I'm choosing sum. I'm going to go back in there and choose totals again. And I see on the right-hand side, that button allows me to get totals on the right-hand side of the data. There's a little arrow beyond that. If I choose it, I can see I can get all those other things as well. I'm choosing sum, and I have totals for the columns and for the rows. The next thing we're looking at is tables. We're going to use quick analysis to create a table. If I click in one cell, do a Control A, that selects all the data. On the bottom right corner of that data, I see the quick analysis box. I click that. And from the gallery, choose tables. You can see you can get pivot tables or more features. I'm choosing table here. That formats this, creates a table out of it. Tables features, that's a whole chapter on its own. But I'm going to look at one feature here. If I click in H4, type equals, click in F4, you'll see it picks up the label that's above it. I put in an asterisk. I'm clicking in G4. It picks up that label as well. I hit enter, creates a column, and puts that formula all the way down the column. Okay, there's quick analysis to create a table. The last thing we're looking at in quick analysis is Sparklines. I bring up the gallery, I choose Sparklines, and I see two or three options there. If I go for the column option, give it a click, it shows me a mini chart, and the columns in this mini chart represent the columns in the data. That's what Sparklines are about. Well, there's a comprehensive look at quick analysis. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe if you feel inclined to. That'll be wonderful. If you have a question, contact me on info@projectexcel.com.au. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.